The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own fleeting trend to advance. Notwithstanding, they actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and enormous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. When BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pound and numerous cryptographic forms of money like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Combining patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin money expectation and show it might go on an inspirational perspective. This incorporates both least cost and most extreme cost. As indicated by Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally really depend on $515.84 as greatest cost in 1 year. As per the key investigation and cost gauge, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will quite often confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up somewhat lower, say by 2023 $378. As per Bitcoin money cost gauge, toward the finish of 2022, the most extreme cost of Bitcoin money expectation will be $374.55, with confidence posing a potential threat in the approaching following couple of years between $802.57 minus $937.95. Bitcoin money Building People Group Interstates. Aside from the ongoing committed series of engineers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These undertakings incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Enchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin Money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of fame. In any case, both of these coins are as yet accessible each significant digital money trade. Bitcoin money value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The Bitcoin Cash digital money market is exceptionally unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guidelines, contests, the rise of new tech, market feelings, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto brokers, fans, or even crypto guaging sites on how Bitcoin money value estimate would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin money needed to put forth a huge attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currency. It isn't long that it would beat during the year 2022. A large portion of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't hypnotize the brokers by the same token. Notwithstanding, the consistency which Bitcoin money cost gauge has attempted to show is in itself a remarkable element to discuss. Its association in different bold ventures has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. Bitcoin money cost today is exchanging around $385 with a coursing supply of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as deduced by specialists. All the more critically, the undertaking is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into insensibility. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital money world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $1,500 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost being the posterity of BTC, it is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming Bitcoin cost is going upwards, the BCH value also will profit from that in practically no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you earn the most extreme and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin money cost for momentary additions. with the market being totally eccentric. Determining the digital currency cost is truly to a greater degree a bet in karma as opposed to an information-driven estimate. The last year was a distinct advantage for BCH as well as for the vast majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economies somersaulted definitely considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin money. BCH cost expectation from that point forward has begun drifting towards idealism than cynicism. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Consequently, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very uplifting. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As per Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a transient expectation whether the Bitcoin money value gauge will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a reason to have hope without a doubt. In the main, around 50% of the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as greatest cost in the last part. The BCH value swings will keep on showing a positive pattern and recover $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost forecast from January 2022. As of now, Bitcoin Cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general opinion for digital currencies throughout the following months. The Bitcoin money cost gauge is refreshed on consistent schedule. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In the main portion of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as most extreme cost in the last part. Sooner rather than later, logical, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for heighten, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As indicated by Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will lead the crypto market with an exhibition of cost fixed around $730 in the long-term end. In the main portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin money can possibly support and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an uncommon change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for the long haul and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 100x more than its until now all-time high in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the main portion of 2025,